transactional, that is because, as it occurs to me, there's already a loss of value.
Obviously.
I have nothing to bring to the, no conversation. And you said it perfectly, to how she feels what is valuable to feminine in that man's presence. If a man has no grounding, no value in himself, he has to bring money to the table. He has to bring something to offer in exchange for, because a masculine man in his value, I'm here. There's the value. Enjoy my presence, enjoy the safety, enjoy the exhale. And I do totally understand that there is the caveat for men because of the variety, because of the simplicity. And I grapple in my own mind, where to even find that bar, because it's as free as water. 5
Oh, you're talking about with paying for stuff?
Yeah, to need to exchange the transaction.
I never thought about why that doesn't sit well with me. I mean, I never critically thought about it in why not just, I don't know. I mean, even in sex as a whole, if I'm not clear that the woman is not just open, but like a drop of water and she hasn't drank water in 2 years, you know what I mean? Like that level of desire, then I'm not even, so I don't know if that's just a self-image, pride, or I don't know. I've never critically thought. I'd have to think that through.
I think so.
Why not just, if it's for simplicity, but I wouldn't enjoy it. But I don't know why I wouldn't yet. Like I'd have to really, I don't want to just throw an answer out.